Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you at coolant. So first, make sure your hood's open, it just currently is, and then we'll go towards the passenger side, and then these would be the two caps we're looking for. You want to make sure your vehicle's turned off, and ideally cool down for this, as this coolant can get very hot and kind of start to bubble up, and this whole system is made to be under pressure. So ideally you aren't working with it while everything's hot. But the first place you need to check is this separate reservoir. So we'd open this up, and then typically you want to make sure you've got the same coolant that's already in the system that you would add, but you just pour directly into there, whether it's a funnel or straight from your big jug. And you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. There's an intention for some air gap, so you just fill it up to where the full line is down here. When you're finished with that, just close this back up. And then if needed, typically you wouldn't need to access this cap. You can do everything from here. But if it's really low into the radiator for some reason, you can also get into here. And it's got warnings on here because you don't want this scalding hot poison to jump all over you, make for a bad day. But you push down slightly and twist. And then when you unscrew, you should see some coolant in here, but you can add more here as well. And then when you're done, screw this back on nice and tight. Because you want the system to stay under pressure. And then while you're at it too, you want to go through the whole system, make sure all the lines, there's no puddles of coolant anywhere at the ends of the hoses, or any breaks in the lines. Sometimes your radiator can get cracked if it gets too hot, so that could cause some puddling under your car as well. Sometimes these can get cracked as well, but just make sure there's no leaks in the system, because this is what keeps your engine and radiator happy. And if sometimes ACs can puddle some water under your car, so don't mix up the coolant with water. Coolant, it's got kind of like a slightly sweet smell to it and a little coloration, way to tell it apart. If you don't really want it on your fingers, but it's got a slight more different texture to it than water, a little more like slick feeling almost. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.